We're frequently asked by founders whether this is a good time to sell, or they're asking, is this still a good time to sell? Many businesses did well financially during the pandemic and continue to grow nicely. Others dipped during the early stages but have now recovered and are projecting continued prosperity. And since the acquisition boom for small to mid-sized private companies continues, with more than $1 trillion of committed and uninvested capital at financial buyers like private and structured equity firms, there's still a significant opportunity for those entrepreneurial businesses who've thrived and or recovered to sell or pursue some sort of transition or capital event. The question is, now that inflation is a potential headwind to further progress and interest rates are starting to move up, not to mention conflict in Eastern Europe destabilizing most of the world, is this still a good time to sell? Are valuations and deal terms still great for boomers who are ready to move into retirement and for younger entrepreneurs eager to sell and fund their next great idea? Well, the answer paradoxically has more to do with you and your reasons for selling or handing over control, and less to do with the market's dynamics or economics. So, one, why do you want to move on? Are you ready to retire? Eager to take advantage of this buyout boom? Burned out? Don't want to go through the next downturn? Want to do something else? Then what's your number? Do you know how much you'll need on a pre-tax basis so that net, after taxes and costs, you'll have enough to replace the economics of your business? What assumptions are you using for taxes? What expected return assumptions are you using about your future investments? Then, how much does legacy matter to you? Are you willing to trade price for employee security for your people? Willing to take less to get more cash up front? Are you willing to take stock in the acquirer? Are you open to looking at a lower valuation in exchange for a tax advantage transaction? Open to taking on a partner for a period of time and participating in a second sale down the road? Much of our work with founders starts with navigating these questions first, then deciding on process and next steps after getting clear on their why. The answers to these questions will modify the universe of buyers and types of transactions that might consider and shape the ideal transaction for each founder. If we can help, please navigate over to candor-advisors.com. Let's chat.